Everyone, today we discuss about naming conventions in Java. How to write program in Java we see previous sessions. But while writing the program, how to give the names for classes, variables and methods. For that we need to follow some rules. Java is a case sensitive programming language. It means it can recognize capital letters and small letters as different. So we need to follow some rules while writing the upper and lowercase letters in program. Follow some convention rules to writing the names of classes, variables and methods. For example, I write main method like this. Public static void main string args array. This is the main method. While writing Java program, but this can't execute. Why? Because this public, this is the here we use P, capital P. At the same time, while writing main method, I write M as a capital, but it's not execute this main method because of these two reasons. So that's why every programmer need to follow some rules while writing the Java program. For that, naming conventions has given JavaScript people. For writing a package names, we need to follow some rules. Package is nothing but a directory. It contains some classes and interfaces. So we need to write the package name, every package name with small letters. For example, we use in our Java program, in previous Java programs, java.lang. This is the package. You need to write package name with all small letters. And one more package name, java.io. This is also package. Once we want to write package names with all small letters. One more package name we need to take java.awt, java.swing. These are the package names you need to write with small letters. While coming to package contains what? Classes and interface. Class is model for creating objects. While writing the class name or interface name, interface is also similar to class. You remember like that. But class and interface contains variables and methods. So while writing the class name, first every word of that class name with capital letter. For example, in previous class program we write string class. For that you need to write first letter of the class name should be capital letter. You need to take some other class system. But the class name with two words, you need to follow every word with capital letter. For example, I take the interface name action listener. Action is a capital letter, listener, listener, listener. This is capital letter. Like this you need to write the class name and interface names with every word start with capital letter. Then coming to method. Method names. How to write? Class contains variables and methods. First we need to discuss methods. Once we want to write the method names, every word of first word of method start with small letter. The next words onwards with capital letter. For example, I write main method. Main method with small letter, but this word with only one method, one word. I writing the second method name get number instance. This word start with small letter. The second word one words capital letters. This the difference between main method one word. This is the method name. Second onwards capital letters. Similarly, we write the variable names. Similarly, we write the variable names also. Same rule like methods. Variables. We want to declare, for example, employee ID. This is one word, this is other word. I am writing employee class having the variables employee ID, employee name, employee salary. Like this, I am writing variables in employee class. So, I follow this rule. We need to follow every programmer like this. Employee ID, employee name, employee salary. EMP is small letters, I capital, here N capital, salary capital. While writing the variables, we need to follow this rule. But the difference between same rule for variables and methods. How to differentiate? A method, end of the method we write parenthesis, simple braces, open and close. But in case of variables, we need not write any braces end of the name. That we can identify what is method, what is variable. While writing the methods and variables, we need to follow this rule. Understand here package name rules here. Package names. How to write package names? Like this. This class and interface names. The third, method names. How to write method names. Fourth, how to write variables. Next, how to write what remaining we use in our class? Keywords. What are keywords? While writing main method, we use public. Public is a keyword. We would like to write keywords with all small letters. Void is also keyword. Okay. Static is also keyword. All keywords with small letters. Fifth rule, keywords. While writing the keywords, we need to follow these convention rules. Public, void, static. All keywords with small letters. The next word we use in our programs, constants. What are these constants? Constants represents same value without, we can't change the value entire program. For example, constants Pi is a constant. Pi means 22 by 7. This value 3.14159. I would like to use this value in our program. For constant we need to write like this with all capital letters. One more constant, max underscore value. Maximum value or minimum value for variables declaration. For that we need to take max underscore value. At the same time, font class have bold property, bold constant value. That also represent like this. Class name dot bold. Bold is constant is available in font class. We need to follow while writing the constants. Constants names we need to write, how to write with all capital letters. Like this we can follow some naming conventions while writing the Java program. Who has given these rules? JavaSoft people as they follow these rules. Whoever writing Java programs, we need to remember all these rules. Then only we can eliminate confusion and errors while writing the Java program.